Adding black screen on Final Cut Pro is actually very easy, and in this video I'll show you exactly how to do that. If you do find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe. Now the first thing you're going to do is you're going to load up the project that you want to add the black screen to. Now you're going to find the spot where you want to add the black screen to. So you can see this project has two clips, and I want to add the black screen to the middle between these two clips. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna place my cursor there like this. I'm gonna select where I want to add the black screen to, and I'm gonna go to edit, and under edit I'm gonna scroll down until I see insert generator here, and in insert generator I'm gonna choose gap. Now you can see the black screen has been added here, and when I play the video, you realize when it gets to the black screen, it's gonna display till it goes there. Now, subsequently, if you wanna increase the length of the black screen, you can drag it and you can see. And if you'd like to see the time that the black screen has, you can see that once we highlight on the black screen, this timer here also has the same color as the highlight. And once we expand it and we click on it again, you're going to realize that the time expands. Now you can use this to gauge the time of the black screen that you want to put, and you see as we reduce it, it also reduces. Now that's how to add a black screen on Final Cut Pro. If you do find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.